What are the 11 things that we should do on Eid Al Adha? Take a bath and purify yourself. Put on new Eid clothes. Meet your parents with a smile and a hug. Use a pleasant and sweet fragrance. Say the TAKBEER of Eid. Then offer the Eid prayer. Don't forget to greet other Muslims on this blessed day. Then sacrifice your animal in the name of Allah. Distribute its meat among relatives, friends, and needy. Make sure to eat delicious food. And at last, forgive others and ask Allah for forgiveness.